Right, Jack, last test paper I marked for you, you scored 45. Let's see if you can improve on that. The value of the 6 you'll see is in the hundreds column, so the value of it is 600. Factors of 15 are numbers that divide into 15 exactly. So 1 and 15, 1 goes into 15 15 times, 15 goes into 15 once, and also 3 and 5 are what we're looking for there. So for that, 2 marks, 1 mark, 2 marks, 2 marks. 32 and 66, 0.78, 0.75. That's correct, but when they ask you to write them in order, you then need to write them back in the form they were given. So what we're looking for is the 0.73, comma, 3/4, comma, 78%, rather than all of them in the same form. So you're going to lose 1 mark for that. Right, your tallying, what you now need to do is to finish the tallying by adding up what you got. So you got 5 in there, 10 in there, 7 in there, 8 in there. So you're going to lose that mark. The mode is the number of children that happens most frequently. So 10 comes up the most, so the mode is going to be 2. Total for the page: 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. .6 is right. That's right. Perpendicular means at right angles to. So DC is there. So AE is what we're looking for there. And you need to practice these. You can't keep leaving these things out. All right. They're easy marks. Watch how I do it. Make sure you buy yourself a protractor and learn how to use it. 2 marks to the page. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. So is that good? Full marks to that page. 1825 is correct. Your method is right, but that's wrong and there's no method for it. So B1, 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 no method for that. Correct. Correct, correct, correct. Good, 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 good. 5, 8 for the page. Right, you need to be scoring more than 1 mark on that page, Jack. So watch how I do the things and make sure you think, oh yeah, okay, I can do that. But you're leaving a lot of marks untouched on that page. That's correct, that's correct, good. So this one, cost of Y rulers, well, 2 rulers would cost me 2 lots of 25, 10 rulers would cost me 10 lots of 25, Y rulers will cost me Y lots of 25. 9R is correct. It's not 4T, it's 3T. Negative 4, adding, going up 7 on your number line, you end up with 3. That's good. There's no need to turn them into simpler fractions. You can leave them as they are. The danger with doing that is if you got that wrong, then you may end up losing a mark. But leave them like that and it's fine. But you didn't, so that's good. Total for the page is 9. 180 take away 56 is 124. 124 is what both of those angles together add up to. Because it's an isosceles, and I know it's an isosceles because of those 2 little marks there, those 2 are equal. So you now do 124 divided by 2 is 62 degrees, and that's what that angle is and what that angle is. Now you can see that that lies on a straight line, so if you take those 2 away from 180, it gives you Y. I'll give you 1 mark for that because I can read it, you didn't obliterate it. Your line of best fit's all right. Okay, could go a bit longer. Now what you need to do on your line of best fit to get an estimate for 165 is you go up to the height of 165 using a ruler, read off your graph to your line and then down. So on your graph, 61 kilograms is the answer that we should be looking for. Total for the page 5. Yeah, that's good. This is very good. Good, 7, 8 marks for that. That's very good. Well done, Jack. That's right, but that should also be there, and then there should be a big tick there and a big tick there. So you haven't got any of them complete. You haven't given me enough. The lines won't fit together. Yeah, that's just about okay. 100 is good. Good, well done. Oh, and well done. Excellent. So 6. 10 marks for the last page. That's really good to score 10 marks on the last page. So let's see how you got on, Jack. 12, 14, 22, 30, 33, 42, 47, 55, 65. Oh, 65 is still a D, but you're only 5 marks off a C. And there are lots, there's a whole page in there that you practically left blank. If you sort that out, then you're getting much closer, much more reliable towards that C. So that's good. Well done, Jack.